back to the channel. Got off work today. Up under the bridge is nice and quiet, nice and cool. It got about 94 degrees, so it's kind of hot. So I get up under the bridge for a little bit, fish up under here, and then later I'm gonna go to walk the banks and see if I can catch some crappies or bass. But up under here we're gonna have a little fun. First fish of the day, a little old bitty bass. He's over here, right down the edge. Little old bitty. I'm talking about little old bitty basses, you guys. I almost thought it was a sand bass. Because those treble hook get them, they up in there. Got little bitty gills jumping back here. There we go. That's a bass right here. Gotta be a bass. Got to be a bass. Yep. Hit that joker close. Don't get off. I want to show them, guys. Oh, there we go. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I wanted to show you guys. So it's not a big bass, you guys, but it is a bass. And one thing about me, as y'all gonna learn, most of y'all already know, it don't matter if I catch little fish, big fish, or massive fish, as long as I'm fishing. That's my therapy, you guys. Yes, it's a sport, but for me, it's therapy. There we go. There we go, you two. Very, very nice little healthy. Probably half a pound. Probably about, I bet it's about 10 inches long. That's a little bass, okay? Goes back. All right, fish number 3. I'm liking this little color right here. Now the water is stained from the rain, so I'm thinking that white is a good color to go by. That's why I used this one. And then that red tip right there. So I thought that would be a good combo. Plus with the rattle trap, you can hear that. So it's working. We're gonna keep fishing until that sun goes down, and we're gonna try somewhere else. All right, let's see if we can get it back out there and get us another one. Another one. I knew it. There we go. Got something here. Oh, we got a nice little long ear that look like a pumpkin seed. Ooh, they so pretty. They are pretty. Calm down. Enjoy YouTube. Pretty little thing, ain't it? Pretty little old green long ear. I swear they got that orange and blue. You gotta be careful with them treble hooks though. I can actually, I don't even think I even need to use pliers, but I use them since I got them. There we go. Yeah. All right, guys, I'll give you a better look at this. That is a pretty, pretty fish. So you got all the blue, orange. These to me, I'm not gonna lie, to me, these and the shell crackers and the pumpkin seeds. I never caught a pumpkin seed, but man, they're the prettiest fish it is. Long ear sunfish. Go. See if we can get us another one. Or a crappie. Let's see. You would think them bass would be tagging that along that wall too, but I ain't been, it's some big bass in here, but I ain't been catching a lot of bass lately. I think they'll start up in the fall time though. Or I'm not fishing with the right lure. One of the two. Let me cast out a little bit instead of closer to concrete. Got one. Crappie probably. Yep, crappie. Oh, might be a keeper crappie too. If it is this close to it, you guys, I'm talking about it's probably not a keeper, but it's close to it though. These things will be they'll surprise you sometimes when you measure them. You think it's like 9, 8 inches, it'd be a 10 inch, but it'd be a skinny crappie. That's pretty though, very pretty. All right, so let me get this one loose. Okay, and the other one is kind of down in his mouth, so we'll get it out of there without harming them. There we go. So no harm at all. He or she gets to go back. Come on, that's a pretty white crappie, you guys. Now the white crappies have the stripes that go up and down, so you can see those vertical line. The black crappies have little black dots everywhere. That's how you can tell the difference. All right, that one's gone. All right, let's try again. So as soon as I went off a little bit, I went way out there then. That crappie hit instead of being on this concrete. Let it drop down. Okay, now I'm gonna just slowly reel it back. But I ain't been catching them big girls and boys out here yet. They'll start hitting pretty soon though. They will start hitting pretty soon. It's gonna take a little time. Now, you probably do some good with some minnows out here. Throw a couple rods out there and let that bobber sit. Probably catch them all day long. Let me try this side. Casting away from the concrete a little bit. There we go. Where that grass there, you better walk. You better look around in that grass. You get a shock. You get surprised. Another crappie. That's a nice bluegill. Nice bluegill. Well, I mean, not when I say nice, you know what I'm saying. Yeah. I thought it was one of those small crappies, but it's not. There you go. Just something. Nothing to brag about. I thought I had a bite. I think I did. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think I feel the I might get one more. I'm feeling something, but I know it's some bluegill. There we go. That wasn't no bluegill. I know I felt something. That's a crappie. It's most definitely a crappie. I felt the they don't pull too. Oh, another right at a keeper. That's a keeper right there. That's most definitely a keeper. Yeah, about 10 on the dot. And crappies don't pull too hard. There you go, guys. There you go. Bass, crappies, and bluegill. Come. Got a bass, you guys. That's most definitely a bass. Oh, a big old crappie. That's a little old bitty bass pulling like he 2 pounds. Little old bass pulling like he 2 pounds, like he 3-4 pound bass. That little joker was strong. What's the problem, boy? I thought I had a big one. Calm down. Calm down. You ain't finna get me hooked. I got him good though. There we go. There we go, YouTube. So is that a largemouth? Let me go this way. Is that a largemouth or is that a spotted? You guys let me know. I think it's a largemouth.